Example, you will check here also. Let's see, VLAN 40 is also working or not. So VLAN 40 is also working, and let's see here VLAN 40 other PC is also working or not. So this one is also working. So let me check, try to ping from here to any VLAN and check OSPF is also working or not. Ping 192.168.10.11, I think 10.11. This computer somewhere you have 10.11. What is this IP here? 10.12, this one, and this one is 10.11. so 10.11 is there. So from where I am pinging? From here. So request timeout. Why it is not working? We need to check. Maybe OSPF is not working perfectly. We need to figure out and we need to test that one. So here if I write show IP root, let's see we are getting the root or not. Okay, we are getting here show IP root OSPF. So here if you see, I am here in the R1 and we are not getting 3040 root here in the R1. So why we are not getting? Maybe in this router we don't have OSPF. In R2, why this one I configure wrong here? This one is R1. Okay, this one is R1 and this one is also R1. Why this one is R1? This should be R2. Let me go here and check. Enable show IP root. I will write show IP root OSPF. So here if you see, you are not getting here 40 and 30 roots. So something wrong here. Let's see. Here we enable the OSPF or not. I will write show IP OSPF interface brief. So here OSPF is not enabled in this interface. I think we enabled just now. Let's see show run and check here. Where is the interface? We divided this one. Okay, maybe I did not enable here OSPF, so I need to enable. Let me enable, no problem. Maybe I forget that time. Interface f1/0.30 IP OSPF 1 area 0. Okay, then another interface f1/0.40 IP OSPF 1 area 0. Now let's see, save the configuration and check here. Yeah, here you are getting 3040 now. So before I forget to enable the OSPF here, that's why it is not working. Now you ping, it will work. See, it is working. So we have the reachability. So R1, R2 configuration is done. We need to do R3, R4 also. So we are going to do that one. I will save this project. In the configuration, you need to add here. Example, I will do here only this one. Okay, I type here, but I forget to add there. That is a problem here. So this one is okay. Here, what else I done? Here I enable this DHCP in the configuration, because I am going to share this configuration in our what we call that in our Telegram channel. That's why I'm updating here. So if you are not member of our Telegram channel, you can join. It is free. Telegram channel member, you can become free of cost. No need to pay anything. So in the video description, you will find the Telegram channel link. You can go and join. So here 30.1 till this one. Okay. And here we can say 30. Here should be 30. Here should be 30. Here should be 40. Here should be 40. Here should be 40. Okay. So that's all. This is the configuration for R2. I hope it is clear. In case if you have any doubt, write in the comments. Our team will reply you. They will support you. If you need all this configuration and lab file, everything, look in our Telegram channel. That's all. So in our next video, we will do R3, R4. Thank you. Bye.